What if I told you your old study notes could make you money? Yes, you heard that right. Stay tuned to find out how. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Munchies. Today we are diving into a fantastic earning opportunity for students. If you have study notes, essays, or any academic documents, you can earn money by selling them. Let's get started with a step-by-step guide on how to do this. First, open up your web browser and go to www.studypool.com. This is the home page where you'll start your journey from. If you are new to StudyPool, click on the sign up and fill in your details. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Sell Documents section on your dashboard. This is where you'll upload your study materials. Okay, so click on Upload Documents and select the files you want to sell. Click on I understand and then confirm. Okay, so you have to keep in mind that your document should be of high quality, it should be readable. You have to add document details so that it will be easier for the students to find your document. And the content must be meaningful and educational. So here you can see that your content should not be copyrighted. So here you can see earn passive income of up to 5,000 USD a month. We share your document with tens of millions of students. You get up to $10 every time a student views once. So if any student will view your document, you will get 10 document per document. You will get $10 per document viewed. Okay, so you don't have to wait for the document to get approval. You can keep on uploading more files. So once your document is approved, it will be available for sale. You can track your sales and earnings from your dashboard. The more documents you upload, the higher your earning potential. That's it. You have now learned how to earn money by selling your documents on StudyPool. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Munchies for more tech tips and earning opportunities. Thanks for watching.